Okay, this one is to do with numbers. Unfortunately, there's no quick way to learn the Korean number system easily. You just have to sort of learn it bit by bit. And rather annoyingly, there are two number sets in Korean. There's Korean numbers and there's Sino-Korean numbers, which are influenced by Chinese. So the Sino-Korean is what I'm going to do first. And first of all, we need the word for numbers, which is going to be written like this, I believe, yeah. Sutja. And I'm simply going to write out 1 to 10, if I can. Okay, so we have il, I, sam, sa, il, I, sam, sa, o. Now it says here for number 6. One thing, of course, about number 4. Apparently, sa has the same sound as the word for death. So 4 is an unlucky number. So, for example, in some elevators, when you have the floors labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, they won't have the number 4 there. They'll have the letter F instead. The Western equivalent would be the number 13. Like if some hotel rooms won't have a room 13, and they'll just go, 11, 12, 14. It's kind of like that. But there's also something here about the number 6. And it seems that it can be pronounced in 2 different ways. Like this, not like that. Ruk or uk. That's not right, is it? Il, I, sam, sa, or ruk. I'm not sure. Anyway, I think it used to be this, but it's changed to this. So, just through like common usage. But anyway, then we're going to put in chill. If I can find it. Which I can't. Hang on. There it is. Oh, come on. Chill. Pal. I'll always remember the number 8 for pal. If I can. Oh God, I'm slow today, aren't I? Come on, where is it? There. When I first came to Korea, I was obviously terrified, and I sat in Incheon airport waiting for my bus. And all I remember was this advert that was playing on a screen nearby. And of course I had no understanding of Korean at all. And it was some advert, I have no idea what it was advertising, possibly like insurance or something. And the phone number had lots of digits in. There was this ajashi just sort of shouting out the digits. But at the very end, it was 888. And I just remember him saying like pal 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 pal, and I was like, oh my god, am I learning Korean? That must be 8, right? So it's kind of stuck in my head. So at least I know that one. Don't know anything else though. The next number is 9, gu, and then 10, which is ship, which is written like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, that's how it's pronounced, I remember now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now, it is fairly logical when it comes to how the numbers are put together. So if we have 11, that basically means we take the word for 10, which is ship, and we add it to the word for 1, which is il, right? So basically 11 is 10 plus 1. So we would say ship il. So it would basically be these two just again. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ship il. Right? So it's 10, 1. And then of course if you wanted to say 12, you would say ship i. If you wanted to say 13, you would say ship sam, and so on. When we get into even bigger numbers, so for example 25, you're effectively going to say e, meaning 2. Then you're going to say ship, meaning 10. And then you're going to say o, meaning 5. So you've basically got 2, 10, 5. And you add them together and it becomes 25. So i ship o is 25. If you wanted to say 33, you'd say sam ship sam. Sam is 3, ship is 10, sam is 3, so sam ship sam. 99 gu ship gu, and so on, you know. We then go up to higher numbers like 100, which is this one. Bek. That's 100. And then 1000 is, oh, I can never find this character. John. There it is. Oh. Okay. So if we want to say, so this is 100 here, and this is 1000. If I wanted to say 312, so there's an example here in the book, I'm going to say Sam, meaning 3. Then, oops. Sam, meaning 3. Then I'm going to say Sam Beck, meaning 100. Then I'm going to say ship, meaning 10. And then I'm going to say E, meaning 2. Oops. What's going on? Okay. Ship, meaning 10, and then E. So we'd have Sam Beck ship E. So we have 3, 100, 10, and 2, making 312. That's kind of it, you know. There's no easy way to learn it. It's just something that sort of has to be learned. And I'm assuming if you hear it enough, you know, you'll get used to it. 0 has 2 different forms. We have yong or gong, like that. I think you can. I think it's in English you could say 0 or 0. So I think it's like that. Whichever one is better. So yeah, it's just a case of learning them and then doing this sort of simple math thing in order to then work it out.